is Sylvie and welcome back or welcome to Viva la Vivi. In today's video, I'm super freaking excited to say that this video is sponsored by Halara. I've actually worked with Halara before, so it was super exciting to hear from them again, and they were going to send me some more clothes to try on for all of you. My hair has been like that the whole time and you guys didn't tell me. We are super lucky because Halara has given us a coupon code so you can all get 15% off your order. The code is VIVALA1. It's going to be on the screen here, and like I said, it's for 15% off. Also, every piece that you're about to see in this video, every single one is linked in the description, and the shop link is down there if you want to shop my pieces or just want to check out Halara. Guys, stop! If you don't know what Halara is, you're in for a treat. Halara is a clothing brand that promotes comfortability and support and you being able to actually move. Guys! They listen to their customers' feedback to take into account how to make their clothes even better and even more comfortable. Their fabric is designed for activewear and just functionality, and something I really adore about them that is eco-friendly. They operate on a demand-driven inventory model that focuses on producing only what the customers want. So they use the feedback into creating each piece to make sure that they don't have overproduction. And also, sometimes their shipping can take a tiny bit longer. However, my pieces came really fast, but a little bit longer than typical brands, just because they prioritize quality over being rapid and speedy. They're creating their items with purpose rather than creating bulk. So this is beneficial for both me and you and our planet. We love that. Now I'm super freaking excited to get into the pieces. What are we waiting for? Editing right now, and I forgot to mention, I know this intro is super long and wordy, but I swear you're getting the clothes soon. I just wanted to mention that all of these opinions of mine are mine only. I made sure to check with Halara that I could completely be honest because I don't want to work with brands who don't let me be honest. So, look how stunning! I'm so excited! So in my last video with Halara, it was a while ago, and we were focusing on their jean collection. So I'm pretty sure that I got a really similar jean to this one. It's like flare out, it's crossover in the front, and these are super stretchy. You'll see when I try these on. These jeans are super comfy, breathable, but also remain durable and look freaking gorgeous. So freaking gorging, so freaking gorging, I just said. So gorgeous, so stunning. Again, these jeans are so comfortable. You need to get a pair. They're so comfortable. They're not exactly like those jegging material where it's like leggings but like printed on jean. Like it actually feels like a light denim while also feeling super comfortable. And these are so movable, so snatching, so amazing. I'm obsessed. I'm really excited about this top. So this is a long sleeve just top. I'm pretty sure I got this in the navy blue color before. It has thumb holes, this is super versatile. I love the color. It is so gorgeous. It's this mint light green color, and all of Halara's pieces clearly are quite versatile, and you could be wearing them to go to the gym or for everyday wear. You could even dress some of the pieces up a little bit, so I just love them. Like I said, I've had this shirt before, but it's in navy blue and I love wearing that. And it fits the vibe. Again, it is so comfy, so snatching in the right areas. The thumb holes, so cute. I love that touch. And like, it's so breathable, and the fabric is not like suffocating, if you know what I mean. Moving on to the next piece, and I also want to mention that Halara offers sizes extra small to 4XL. So they're super inclusive and have pieces for everybody. Oh my god, I'm excited. I don't know why I kind of went for a green theme. We had a green top, green pants, but this green is obviously darker. It's a little more olivey. And it's got butt scrunching action. So I'm gonna have a yacht. So yeah, they have so many different colors. They have so many different shades of each color, so you can truly find like your favorite colors. Let's move on to my other pair of jeans. You don't understand how flipping excited I am for this pair of jeans. I've been really wanting a wash like this. And also these are Halara's like lower rise jeans, which I'm super excited about because I'm not a high rise jean girl. I'm definitely low rise. Oh my gosh, they're so stunning. I can't wait to put them on. I just really like the worn in kind of look. I think it's on the, yeah, it's on the back too. I think that just looks so streetwear cool vibes. And then these jeans, I'm wearing the, just show you, the baggier ones with the little like, with the, whoa, the stutter was crazy. With the distressed kind of look to them. So cute. So freaking comfy. Like, these jeans are genuinely the comfiest jeans you'll probably ever put on your body because they're made from this specific material that I've only felt with Halara before, and they give such cute vibes, like looking like jeans, but they're so comfy, like you could genuinely sleep in them, lounge in them. So yeah. And what they also love to include is that they're priced really fairly for the type of quality you're getting. I've been wearing Halara clothes for so long, and the quality is just, it's really flipping good. It's really good. This color, oh my god, I'm so excited about this piece too because I was keeping in mind summer and spring a little bit are on their way. Look how freaking beautiful this color is. It's giving wine, red, gorgeous, and these are shorts, and I do not have enough of different colors in activewear shorts, so I'm really excited to style these. It's so pretty, and no flipping stupid front seam. You guys know I hate a front seam. These do not have a front seam, so no camel toe. These shorts are so snatching, boonda giving, and they also have like these little grippies to stick on your skin so that it doesn't ride up. I haven't like worn these shorts out for a day, so I don't know if that works yet, but I'm sure it will because so far, like if I moved this much in any other shorts, it would already have moved up, but it didn't, and I really like that. And I don't know, I just feel super confident in this. Such the vibe. I'm obsessed. And finally, the last piece is this white top. It's so pretty. There's a crossover in the front. I think this is gonna be so good for the gym, but also like running errands, travel, all that kind of thing. The material is super stretchy, and I can already feel that it's breathable, but also like snatches you up in all the right places. So I'm super excited about this one. Can I freaking say I'm obsessed with this outfit? If I'm gonna be so honest, sometimes activewear can make me feel a little bit insecure because it's a lot of the time super slim, like body, skin tight, and sometimes it could just hug you wrong and like look strange. But this outfit with this crossover, I don't know what it is with crossovers, but even crossovers here and crossovers here, they're just so flattering. My overall final review, I'm once again gonna thank Halara for so kindly sending me these clothes. So freaking cute, and they're so comfy, and I really do feel like their overall goal of making women feel confident really is executed perfectly, because these pieces I really feel super confident in, and also able to move around and experience life and feel comfortable, but also feel snatched and gorged. It's the best combo ever. My favorite collection from Halara is probably the UltraSculpt collection. I really like it. It was in these shorts, also in the leggings. It's just super flattering, I find, and it's really comfy and really makes me feel confident in the clothes that I'm wearing. And also, like, they're easy to like move around in and work out in and go on your errands in, for example. Please, as always, leave a comment on which item was your favorite in this haul. I wouldn't even be able to pick. I'm obsessed with them all. And also, you can give Halara feedback and tell them what you would like to see in the future. Again, my code is VIVALA1 for 15% off. Make sure to go use it and get you some baddie gym, travel, everything clothes. And thank you all so much for watching this video. I'm really happy with the channel growth we've been having, and I'm just super excited and grateful to have you here. I love you all so, so much. Bye!